Lemons are bright yellow. They smell fresh like sunshine. They are sour, but in a good way. Lemons are packed with good things. Let's learn how lemons can make us healthier. Lemons make everything better. A squeeze of lemon brightens up food. It adds zing to drinks. And the smell alone can make your kitchen smell amazing. We all know lemons are good for us, but do you know why? These little yellow wonders are full of surprises. Get ready to discover the power of lemons. Lemons are bursting with vitamin C. This vitamin is a superhero. It helps our bodies fight off nasty bugs. It keeps our skin looking great, and it gives us energy to zoom through the day. We need vitamin C every day. Our bodies can't store it. A squeeze of lemon in your water is an easy way to get your daily dose. Try it hot or cold. It's delicious either way. Feeling a bit run down? Skip the sugary drinks and reach for a lemon instead. Your body will thank you for it. Lemons are a natural and tasty way to stay healthy. Lemons are good for our tummies. They help us digest food. They can ease bloating and constipation, and they make sure everything moves smoothly. Start your day with warm lemon water. Before breakfast is best. This wakes up your digestive system. It gets everything ready for the day ahead. Lemons are like a gentle cleanse for your insides. They flush out toxins. They leave you feeling light and energized. Add lemon to your diet for a happy gut. Section 4, Hydration Hero. We all know water is important, but sometimes plain water is just boring. Lemons to the rescue. They make water taste amazing, and that makes you want to drink more. Staying hydrated is crucial. It keeps our bodies working properly, gives us energy, and helps our skin glow. Lemon water is the perfect way to stay hydrated and healthy. Forget sugary sodas and juices. They are full of empty calories. Lemon water is naturally sweet and refreshing. It's the perfect thirst quencher any time of day. Section 5. Weight Management Wonder. Lemons can even help with weight management. They are low in calories, make you feel full, and boost your metabolism. Lemon water can help curb cravings. It's a healthy alternative to sugary drinks and can help you feel fuller for longer. Remember, lemons are not a magic solution, but they are a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. Combine lemon water with exercise and a balanced diet for best results. Section 6, Antioxidant Ace. Lemons are packed with antioxidants. These little warriors protect our cells from damage. They help us stay healthy and strong. Antioxidants fight off harmful things called free radicals. Free radicals are everywhere. They can damage our cells and lead to health problems. Lemons are a natural and delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake. So go ahead, add a squeeze of lemon to your meals and drinks. Your body will thank you. Section 7, your zesty lemon drink recipe. Here's a simple recipe for a refreshing lemon drink. It's easy to make and so good for you. 1 large lemon, 2 cups of water, and optional honey or maple syrup to taste. 1, wash the lemon well. 2, cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a pitcher. 3, add the water to the pitcher. 4, stir well and taste. 5, add honey or maple syrup to sweeten if desired. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Add a few slices of fresh ginger. Add a few slices of cucumber. Muddle a few fresh berries at the bottom of your glass. Experiment with different flavors and find your favorite combinations. Lemons are so versatile. You can add them to savory dishes, sweet treats, and everything in between. So go ahead, unleash the zest and enjoy the amazing health benefits of lemons.